Hey blogging friends, I just wanted to remind you about the Facebook Live today at 12 p.m. Eastern. Nope, 12 p.m. Sorry, 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. For some reason I can never remember what coast I'm on. I am getting super stoked about this. So we're going to piggyback on last week's topic about how to inject your personality into your blog writing. We're going to take it a couple steps further. Since then, the universe has delivered to me some really great material on this topic, and I wasn't even seeking it out. It just found me. Energy's funny like that. So I have a lot of new things to say, and not just about your blog writing, but really how to figure out who you are, right? Because that's harder than people think it is. A lot of the times we don't even know who we are. I mean, think about it when you get asked, what are your core values, right? How many times do we stutter? I don't know. So I'm going to be talking about some kind of fun ways that I've learned to identify like who you are. Oh, look, Hemingway's here. Say hi, Hemmy. Oh, he loves you guys. How to figure out who you are, and then how to relay that to your audience to turn them into your true like ride or die tribe. And to make sure that the people that are following you are like your people, right? Okay, so cool, guys. I'll see you in a few hours. Again, 12 p.m. Pacific, 3 p.m. Eastern. I did it. I nailed it. Okay, see you guys soon. Bye.